Temple Run daw kami. $1K, $2K, $3K, $5K, $6K, $7K, let's go, $8K, let's go, 9 kilometers, sabi nila, pag last kilometer, ipirit na daw, let's go, 10K, ayun, sub 1 hour 15 minutes, may ganun ba? Pero, okay, mabilis pa rin tayo, yun lang, sana nag-enjoy kayong panoorin yung mga ginagawa kong napakunang kwenta. See you later!